Friends, so far we have learned the single charged ions, means whether it's positive or negative. Now we have two charges, means double charge cation as well as anion also. Let's have a look. We know that when magnesium metal is burned in a air, it will form a magnesium oxide. So here when magnesium forms its cation, so it donates 2 electrons. So the overall charge on magnesium is 2. Whereas in previous what we have seen for sodium, potassium, only single charge, they are the single charge cation, whereas magnesium is double charge cation, means magnesium have two positive charge on it. So to neutralize we will require two negative charges. So magnesium oxide, so oxygen forms its anion by gaining 2 electrons. So it will neutralize itself, each charge will neutralize with so the compound is MgO, magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Let's take the magnesium cation only and let's make the chemical formula for magnesium chloride. We know that chloride ion have only one negative charge. So let's take one chloride ion. So it will neutralize. One chloride ion will neutralize only one positive charge. One more charge is left. So we will require one more chloride ion. So we will get here the charges are neutralized. So magnesium chloride, but here magnesium is 1 whereas chloride ion are 2. So MgCl2, magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Let's have one more example. Calcium. Calcium also have a 2 positive charge on it. So we will require 2 negative charges. So calcium, let's take the example calcium hydroxide. So hydroxide ion has only one negative charge, so it will neutralize only one positive charge. One is left, so one more hydroxide ion will require. Okay, now it's neutralized. So calcium hydroxide, calcium single, whereas hydroxide ions we will require 2. So CaOH, OH 2 times. So the chemical formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH twice. We will take same calcium with 2 charges and let's have this time we will form the chemical formula for calcium nitrate. We know that nitrate ion also have a single negative charge on it. Calcium nitrate, but one more charge is there, so we have to neutralize that also. So one more nitrate ion will require. Okay, now it's neutralized. So calcium nitrate, again calcium is single whereas nitrate 2 nitrate ions are there. Therefore the chemical formula for calcium nitrate is CaNO3 twice, NO3 twice. Example of copper sulfate. Copper have 2 positive charge on it. Friends, we have some metals like copper, iron. They show different valencies on them. Copper you will get in single plus charge also, 2 plus charge also and 3 plus charge also, means they show different valencies, but they it will be learned in a higher standards. We will consider with the copper with 2 charges only. So we have to make the formula for copper sulfate. Copper 2 positive charge, and sulfate ion is also have a 2 negative charges on it. So copper sulfate CuSO4. Let's take the sulfate ion only, 2 negative charge. So now iron. So iron also have a 2 positive charge. So iron sulfate. Here also iron shows 2 positive charge, means iron can be you can see iron in 2 positive charges also or 3, but we are for 9th and 10th standard it will be 2 only. So for iron sulfate is FeSO4. Magnesium sulfate MgSO4. Magnesium sulfate.